morning, guys. Happy Diwali, happy Dhanteras. I'm wishing each and every one of you and your loved ones harmony, peace, good health, wealth, joy, and magic. Today is also 13, Friday the 13th, rather. Very magical day, magical number of magic, number 13. So may each one of you spread that magic that's inside of you. May each one of you connect with your own magic and contribute it not only in your life, life of your loved ones, and every single life, every single path that you cross today and every day. May this beautiful festival of light and happiness and joy and sweets spread that sweetness in everyone's life. See, there is so much of dominating yellow color today. Even my cards are yellow. You know, yellow is the color of Lord Dhanvantri. It's his birthday today, and they say that today we should offer, at least in Hindus, we offer mithais, sweets of yellow color, because that's the color he loves, and that's also the color of good health. That's the color of the sun and the sunshine. Let's spread this brightness everywhere we go today and every single day. Let's touch each and every life with this beautiful color of yellow. Sunshine, brightness. Be the sunshine. Shine like the sun. Shine brighter every day. Just like this candle that shines yellow as well. So let's see what does the card of Ascended Master bring the message for each one of us. Spiritual law of attraction. Wow, isn't this beautiful? We have been talking about law of attraction every single day. This card says that everything that we feel inside, we reflect outside. That is what we end up attracting. That's actually the spiritual law of attraction. Every single feeling, emotions, thoughts and processes, point of views that we have embedded in ourselves is what we reflect outside. And this is beautiful. This card comes out on this prosperous day of magic, on this prosperous day of Dhanteras and Diwali. Let's focus on what we want. Let's focus without any complaints on every single thing that we want to create, because finally we are the creators. Can you see in this card, Master Melchizedek is also shown creating the magic. Can you see this? So this is talking about the magic in us. We all are the creators. We attract every single thing. Nothing happens, we create it, as we have learned, as we know. So let's see where should our focus go, because energy will flow right there. So focus on prosperity, focus on good health, focus on wealth, love, peace, harmony, and that's exactly what we will end up attracting. Isn't this beautiful, guys? I just love the cards. They just speak the language. And one more card has jumped out, that is right. So either you have a writer inside of you. Each one of us actually has a writer inside, right? In each of us. So right, and also this means that I usually say we should write every emotion that we feel and discard it, because sometimes we don't like to share it with others and we keep those emotions inside of us. That's a message I'm getting from this card. Probably that's why it's jumped out. So anyone and everyone who's feeling emotional or overwhelmed right now and can't share their emotions with others, or are very heavy on emotions right now, please write it down on a piece of paper and destroy and discard it. Maybe burn it, maybe just tear it and flush it off. Don't read once you write all your emotions down. I used to follow this habit every day, writing down on a piece of paper every night and discarding that paper, because that used to then kind of unburden me through the day's emotions. This was the way I used to unwind, actually. So I am getting that message. Of course, the right message also talks about the writers and about anyone who's wanting to connected with writing and wanting to spread some message through their writings, poems, stories, whatever. I think this is also the right time for that. But for me, I think the message that was coming through immediately after law of attraction was handling your emotions. each one of us has been overwhelmed through these 6-7 months of lockdown. So I guess too much of emotion inside of us. Let's just write and discard it off. Also guys, today being the magical number 13, the day of magic, it very clearly says that we need to clear our energies, declutter our thought process and emotions. So maybe just write it down and discard it, declutter your mind, and let's see what magic we can spread. See, again, the Muladhara chakra has come, the root chakra. That needs work. I pulled it out from the Yogic Path deck because I somehow felt that there was some more message that had to come through. And this Muladhara chakra, this card of Muladhara is talking about root chakra. So the color red is that of the root, matching this red, yes. So work on the root chakra. Don't be fearful. Universe has your back. Universe is taking care of each and every one of us. The root chakra talks about all the fears that we are holding on to. We need to ground ourselves. We need to connect with Mother Earth and Father Sky, and bring in all your energy, focus it on the root chakra, because as you break the fears, break the chains of fear, we shall thrive, because everything starts with rooting ourselves, everything starts with grounding ourselves. So these are the messages on this beautiful, beautiful Dhanteras day today. A happy Diwali once again, guys. Go spread your magic, be the joy, shine like the brightest sun ever, and be the sunshine in anyone and everyone's life and everyone's path that you cross. Happy festivities once again from my loved ones to yours.